Hi friends, this video is a continuation from a previous video. Look to the top right of my screen and you'll see the link to my previous video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to get Office 365 if you are a student. Now, I already have Office 365, and if you have Office 365, you can use Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and so on, all for free. But don't worry, I'll put this page link in the description below. So first, you have to enter your school email address to get your free Office 365. So I'm just going to do that. And after you do that, you might actually get an email asking you to verify your identity. So you just have to verify your identity and then you'll be granted access to your Office 365. Now, you are able to use Office 365 if you are a uni student because your uni basically pays for your Office 365 account. Now, inside your Microsoft 365 account, you can use all of the Office apps, so like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and so on. You can use it all online. So if I want, I can create a blank document right now and type some stuff in. But this requires an internet connection. If you want to have Office 365 inside your laptop, what you have to do is to press install Office and you should just install this Office 365 apps and then everything will be fine. And after you install Office 365, if you go to Microsoft Word, this is how it will look like. Alright, I hope this video is helpful in installing Microsoft Office 365 if you are a student. If this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.